Hello friends, and thanks for joining me today. We need to look at the disc golf course and the redesigned course. So we had some issues with the bus barn being built right in the middle of hole number 1. When it was first going to go in, it was going to be kind of right in the middle where the lift is right there, where that white truck is, and then they moved it so it changed the layout and it ruined that hole number 1. So what we've done is we've poured a new hole, and so now the hole number 2 is going to be hole number 1. So as you see, we're flying here. We just got done with hole number 2 now, the start of hole number 3, and we are moving on. There's the basket for hole number 3. So we essentially took all the holes, moved them back 1, and then we created a new number 9 hole. So there is a path back to where you can park. All the course will start and stop back at the parking lot for the bus barn. So you don't have to finish hole number 9 and then walk all the way back around to hole number 1 again and to play a longer game, play 18. You can now just continue to play around, and it all leads right back to the start. So here we're still flying around. We're seeing this is now hole number 7. This, friends, used to be hole number 9, but now it will become hole number 8. And we still have to get some signage on here. That's in the process, in the works. The course is built by students. It's designed by students, built by students, and we only work on it when school's in session. So here's the new hole, the new number 9. It will go under this tree and then curve around the track. You can go over the track if you want, but you can't play while an athletic event is in session. So here we have the ending. Hole number 9 ends right here at this new basket, and then you lead right back to the parking lot. So thanks so much, friends, for all your support. We're really happy with the disc golf course. The kids have done a great job working. Yes, there's been some issues, there's been some challenges, but we've managed to overcome a lot of those challenges, and students are enjoying the course, and it's been a good thing for our school and for the community so far. Thanks so much, friends, for watching. Thanks for all the support. We really appreciate it.